Hi friends, how you guys doing? Today is another round of product comparison. Alright, in front of me is two budget keyboard, and I'll show you the difference and which one is worth to buy. One is the iMice, one is the Meetion keyboard, and this is a real true mechanical keyboard, and this is just a normal keyboard. Alright, both are good to use for gaming or typing. But this iMice is cheaper than this Meetion by a few dollars only, alright? But the quality of this Meetion keyboard is much higher than this iMice. I'll show it to you. Let's go. Alright, let's take a look at the Meetion keyboard. It's using the red mechanical switch, right? It's a real mechanical keyboard. And this is the iMice keyboard. It's just a normal keyboard, alright? This is how it sounds like. It's a bit flimsy, alright? For the iMice keyboard, and the touch feel is much better for the Meetion keyboard. Alright. Next, let's take a look at the brightness of the keyboard. It's very important for gamers, especially you're gaming in the dark. Take a look at the this Meetion keyboard. It's very bright. Every LED lights up very brightly. And take a look at the iMice. It's quite dim. Alright. And this iMice only have got this on-off switch, but this Meetion keyboard, you can actually play with the patterns. Alright, there are a few patterns to play with. Alright, and it's very bright. Alright, for this Meetion keyboard, there's a special function, special features for this keyboard. You can actually customize the backlight of this whichever key you want it to light up. Alright, there's 10 memory slot. For example, function 1 is this WASD, and the arrow key lights up. For the function 2, the tab, shift, and all this will lights up. There's a 10 memory slot. Alright, so let's say you want to create your own customized keys. So you just press function and, alright, you can see this light is flashing. So you can just press whichever key you want it to lights up. For example, WASD, I need this K, I need this shift. Alright, it will lights up. So after which you press function, and again you will save this function, save this customized key on this slot 6. Alright, let's see. Function 1 is this, so slot 6. Alright. This is how you do it. Another beautiful features of this Meetion keyboard is that it supports all keys anti-ghosting. You can press all the keys together, right? And lastly, this keyboard is really firm and stable on the table, and it has got this 1.8 meters long cable. And if you're looking for a budget mechanical keyboard, this is really worth to buy. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye.